Yes, welcome back. So let's look at this particular property of a special triangle, and this is the right angled triangle. This episode will be in three folds. I mean, episode 1, 2, and 3 under this right angled triangle. So the topic is about Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagoras theorem. So we are saying that this property or this special property is about the right angle triangle. Now, if you remember, the right angle triangle is something of this nature, right? Now, this is not a better drawing. Let's say this is it. We have A, B, C, right? And then you usually have this thing here. So this indicates that it's a right angle triangle. So that one is actually a 90 degrees. So when you see that sign, is the right angle triangle. Yes. And then the second property is that we have a longer side, right? We have a longer side and then two other different lengths, right? So the longer side, which we call the hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse, and then we have the other sides, right? So this is it, and we have 90 degrees, which is indicated by this sign. So that is what we are going to talk about. Now let's read. We are saying that it is about a right angle triangle. A triangle which has one of its angles equal to 90 degrees is called a right angled triangle. Now, Pythagoras theorem states that for any right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that is it. So it means that taking the longer side, squaring it, and equating it to the squares of the other two sides. So that's what it means. So it means that all the variables or the constituents that we are going to deal with them, all of them are squared. But the hypotenuse, which is the longer side, is the one equating to the other two sides, right? The sum of them. So that is it. So here is actually a demonstration of how to draw, illustrating that for you to get a concept of what actually the right angle triangle looks like. So there's no need going to do this because I think for the various topics or the figures, we have been doing the demonstration so far. So once you know that, then there's no need to do that. But if you are new and you are now watching these episodes, bear in mind this is a complete series that